Step 1, build a Shopify store that pays you today. Pick a niche with a high demand and repeat customers, such as hair care, fitness, or tech gadgets. Set up your store using Shopify plus high converting apps like Reconvert, Klaviyo, and Looks. Run paid ads on Meta and TikTok. If you don't have TikTok, I recommend Google Ads, or organic marketing like YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. Now, my Shopify store made over $100,000 a month in sales using this same exact strategy. 2, use Shopify profits to buy wealth building assets. Allocate 30% of profits into ETFs like VOO and QQQ for long-term growth. Set up a Roth IRA or a brokerage account to maximize tax-free gains. Reinvest dividends to compound returns over time. Step 3, automate and scale to build passive income streams. Use Shopify cash flow to acquire more assets like dividend stocks, REITs, or even another business. Set up email automation and upsell so your store can run itself. Invest in content marketing such as YouTube, Twitter, SEO blogs to build an audience that brings on free traffic. Check it out. Imagine waking up to Shopify sales plus stock dividends hitting your account. Now that's true multiple income freedom. Here's the proof. My Shopify store made $1 million in sales, and by investing consistently. I'm building long-term wealth. You don't need a ton of money to start, just a strategy. Here's some stats from my Shopify stock portfolio and multiple income streams that now fund my lifestyle. If I can do it, so can you. If you're serious about building multiple streams of income, do this right now. Comment multiple income below if you're ready to start. Download my free Shopify and investing guide. Link is in the description. Hit like if you want more content like this. Now, watch this next video where I break down how to scale your Shopify store to 100K a month step by step. Click here and I'll see you inside. See you on the next one. Peace.